139. You have searched me, Lord, and you know me. You know when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. You discern my going out and lying down. You are familiar with all my ways. Before a word is on my tongue, you, Lord, know it completely. You hem me in behind and before, and you lay your hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me, too lofty for me to attain. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me, your right hand will hold me fast. Even surely the darkness will hide me, the light become light around me. For darkness will not be dark to you, the night will shine like the day, for darkness is as night to you. For you created my inmost being, you knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, I know that full well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in the depths of the earth. How precious to me are your thoughts, God. How vast is the sum of them. Were I to count them, they would outnumber the grains of sand. If I awake, I am still with you. Even if only you, God, who slay the wicked away from me. You are bloodthirsty. They speak of you with evil intent. Your adversaries misuse your name. Do I not hate those who hate you? And above those who are in rebellion against you, I have nothing but hatred for them. I count them my enemies. Search me, God, and know my heart. Test me and know my anxious thoughts. See if there is any offensive way in me, and lead me in the way everlasting.
നമ്മുടെ കരകളെ ഒന്നുകൂടെ അടിച്ച് ഇതിനെ ഓർത്ത് ദൈവത്തിന് സ്തോത്രം ചെയ്യാം. ഒടുവിലായി വാക്യം പറഞ്ഞ രണ്ട് മക്കൾ, ഒന്ന് നടാഷ, ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രസംഗകന്റെ മകളാണ്, 7 വയസ്സ് പ്രായമുള്ള മകൾ. 27 സങ്കീർത്തനം 14 വാക്യമുള്ള സങ്കീർത്തനമാണ് മകൾ പറഞ്ഞ തെറ്റുകൂടാതെ. അവരുടെ മകൻ ഡെയിൽ നാഥാൻ 11 വയസ്സ് 139 സങ്കീർത്തനം 24 വാക്യങ്ങളുടെ സങ്കീർത്തനം കാണാതെ ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞത്. അവരെ ഓർത്ത് ദൈവത്തെ സ്തുതിക്കുന്നു. ഇവിടെ വാക്യം വളരെ ഉത്സാഹമായി എല്ലാ ആഴ്ചയിലും പറയുന്ന നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയ